Welcome to this complete Thessaloniki Greece guide. Picture a city steeped in ancient history, brimming with culture and teeming with activities for every taste. Thessaloniki, Greece's second largest city, is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. From awe-inspiring Byzantine walls to bustling squares, vibrant districts and tranquil waterfront walks, Thessaloniki offers a myriad of adventures. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the heart of this vibrant city and discover the top 13 things to do in Thessaloniki. Start your journey at the city's most famous landmark, the White Tower. This 6-story cylindrical monument is steeped in history. Dating back to the 15th century, once a prison, it now offers a captivating museum telling tales of Thessaloniki's past. The climb to the top might leave you a tad breathless, but the panoramic view of the city is a sight to behold. From the sea-kissed shoreline to the urban sprawl, it's a visual feast. A trip to Thessaloniki would not be complete without visiting the White Tower. Next, take a time-travel journey through the archaeological museum. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Macedonia's past, brought to life by an impressive collection of artifacts. Each exhibit tells a unique tale from the Bronze Age to the Roman era. Marvel at the intricate gold jewelry, ancient statues, and beautifully preserved ceramics. Let the museum's vast collection captivate your imagination and transport you to the heart of ancient Greece. You'll leave the museum with a deeper appreciation for Greek history. Then marvel at the architectural wonder that is the Rotunda. Born as a Roman mausoleum, the Rotunda has lived many lives. It's been an imperial mosque, a Christian church, and even a military warehouse. Today, it stands as a museum, a silent storyteller of Thessaloniki's changing times. Its circular walls, echoing with history, whisper tales of emperors, saints, and soldiers. The Rotunda is a testament to Thessaloniki's rich history. Immerse yourself in the city's vibe at Aristoteles Square. This bustling hub is more than just a square. It's the city's living room, where locals and visitors alike gather to enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. The square is flanked by an array of attractions, from enticing eateries and quaint cafes to high-end boutiques and charming bookstores. It's also a stone's throw away from the city's thriving waterfront, making it an essential stop on any Thessaloniki itinerary. Aristoteles Square truly is the heart of Thessaloniki. Now journey back in time with a visit to the Byzantine walls. These ancient fortifications whisper tales of a bygone era, each stone a testament to Thessaloniki's rich history. Imagine the countless stories they've witnessed, the civilizations they've guarded against. Now they stand as silent sentinels, offering visitors an unparalleled view of the city. From the sparkling Aegean Sea to the bustling cityscape, it's a sight to behold. The Byzantine walls offer a glimpse into Thessaloniki's past. Don't miss the chance to visit the stunning Church of Agios Dimitrios. This architectural gem, steeped in history and religious significance, is a marvel to behold. Famed for its intricate designs, the church stands as a testament to the rich Byzantine heritage of Thessaloniki. Its walls whisper tales of St. Demetrius, the city's patron saint, evoking a sense of spiritual reverence. This isn't just a building, it's a journey through time and faith. The Church of Agios Dimitrios is a must-visit for its spiritual and architectural splendor. Next, explore the Ataturk Museum, the birthplace of the founder of modern Turkey. This museum is a significant symbol of Thessaloniki's rich and diverse history. Here, you'll uncover the fascinating life of Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, a man who shaped the course of the 20th century. The museum houses an array of personal belongings that offer insight into Ataturk's life and leadership. From his childhood to his time as a revolutionary leader, you'll gain a deeper understanding of this influential figure. The Ataturk Museum offers a unique perspective on a key figure in modern history. Discover the remnants of the Roman era at the Roman Forum. This ancient site, once the bustling heart of the city, offers an intriguing peek into the past. As the social and political hub of Roman Thessaloniki, the Forum was a place of vibrant activity. Today, the echoes of that bygone era resonate amidst the ruins, with remnants of the marketplace, theatre, and the central square. The Roman Forum is a fascinating glimpse into the city's Roman past. Then delve deeper into the city's history at the Museum of Byzantine Culture. This magnificent institution houses an impressive collection of artifacts that echo the grandeur of the Byzantine era. From intricate mosaics to ornate jewelry, each piece tells a story of the past, painting a vivid picture of life during this remarkable epoch. The museum offers a fascinating exploration of Byzantine culture, shedding light on the spiritual, artistic, and daily aspects of this historical period. The Museum of Byzantine Culture is a treasure trove of historical artifacts. Immerse yourself in the city's modern vibe by strolling along the Thessaloniki waterfront. This vibrant hub is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. The waterfront is dotted with a myriad of eateries, offering a smorgasbord of gastronomical delights that would tempt any food lover. The numerous shops are a haven for those seeking unique souvenirs. And of course, the impressive statue of Alexander the Great stands as a proud sentinel over the waterfront. The Thessaloniki waterfront is the perfect place to relax and soak in the city's atmosphere. Next, explore the vibrant and historic Ladadika district. A place where history and modernity coexist, it's an irresistible blend of old-world charm and contemporary buzz. As night falls, the district comes alive, brimming with music, laughter, and the irresistible aroma of local delicacies. Immerse yourself in a sensory journey from the age-old architecture to the tantalizing flavors of Greece. Whether it's a dance to the local tunes or a taste of traditional treats, Ladadika is sure to delight. The Ladadika district is the city's culinary and entertainment hub. Don't miss the chance to visit the historic Heptapyrgian fortress. This imposing stronghold perched atop the city's highest point whispers tales of Thessaloniki's turbulent past. Constructed during the Byzantine era, the fortress has endured the passage of time, bearing witness to the city's evolution. Its stone walls and towers have withstood countless sieges, tales of which are etched into every brick. But it's not all about history. From its vantage point, you'll be rewarded with a panoramic view of Thessaloniki. The Heptapyrgian fortress offers a breathtaking view of Thessaloniki. Finally, delve into the world of science at the Thessaloniki Science Center and Technology Museum. This is not your typical museum. It's a wonderland of interactive exhibits that spark curiosity and foster learning. Marvel at the cosmos in the state-of-the-art planetarium or unravel the secrets of physics at the hands-on displays. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a budding astronomer, there's something for everyone. The Thessaloniki Science Center and Technology Museum is a fun and educational experience for all. Well, there you have it, folks. We've traversed the iconic White Tower, unearthed history at the Archaeological Museum, admired the Rotunda, and strolled around Aristoteles Square. We've seen the Byzantine walls, visited the Church of Agios Dimitrios, and explored the Ataturk Museum. We've discovered the Roman Forum, visited the Museum of Byzantine Culture, walked along the beautiful waterfront, explored the vibrant Ladadika district, marveled at the Heptapyrgian fortress, and toured the Thessaloniki Science Center and Technology Museum. Thessaloniki is a city that has something for everyone. So when are you planning your visit?